Hey everyone, I'm Alyssa Ramos from My Life's a Travel Movie, and I have been a full-time solo female traveler for about 9 years now, which means I've also been taking all of my own photos and videos for 9 years now. A lot of people don't believe me, but I'm going to go ahead and show you my tips and tricks and techniques for filming videos of yourself and photos as well. Works for both. So we'll go ahead and get started with the GoPro. I've been using a GoPro for a really long time. This will work with any action camera, and it'll also work with any regular camera that has Wi-Fi enabled and an app that goes with it. So if you have the GoPro, this is the 11. You're gonna start out, just turn it on and swipe down so you get to your preferences. Swipe over on the 11 and go to the button that says preferences and go to wireless connections. My wireless connection is already on, so you can tap that. If it's not on, it should be on automatically. If not, turn it on, and then you'll just tap connect device, okay? But before you do that, you're gonna take your phone and you're gonna download the app called Quick, Q-U-I-K, by GoPro. So I already have it downloaded, so I'll just go ahead and pull it up now. Also, you don't have to have actual Wi-Fi, like internet in your home or a restaurant, to make this work. It's between the phone and the camera. So make sure your Wi-Fi is on, and also that your Bluetooth is on your phone, okay? And then open the Quick app, and you're gonna tap at the bottom, it says GoPro. So if you haven't already paired it, it's gonna say add a new camera up here. You just tap the button with the plus sign on the camera to add it, and you should be able to find it right away. On here, on the actual camera, you just tap connect device and it'll pair it together. So mine is already connected. So all you have to do now is set up your GoPro with your selfie stick or tripod. So usually what I would do is hold it out like this, and the whole point of connecting these is so that you can see what you're filming without having to look at the actual camera unless you want to be looking at it. So I have it connected, and then I'm gonna just tap here, enable preview. Boop. It'll take a few seconds. I'm not really sure why it's so slow, but it'll start the preview. In the meantime, if you want to get set up, I always travel with the selfie stick that has the tripod foot that attaches to it, so I can put it down and be totally in the frame and not look like I'm just taking selfies with my arm out. Okay, here we go. It's gonna ask you to join the network. Simply click join. Starting preview. So let's just say I wanna hold it out like this to see myself. And we're gonna wait because again, it's really slow. So here we go. So now you can see the preview of what my camera is seeing. So if I turn it, it sees what I'm seeing. So the benefit of this, again, is if you have the tripod and you want to be making sure you're in the frame, or if you want to put it down and you want to walk somewhere far away, it's very useful. So from here, you can just push the record button and it's recording. Hi, I'm recording a tutorial on how to use the GoPro connected to your phone. Cool. So stop it from your phone, start it from your phone, and then you can also toggle to photo. So if I want to just take a photo, again, I can put it like this. And instead of tapping like this, putting it on timer, I can simply just tap the shutter button from my phone, like this. And take the photo. So another great thing about the app is that you can go down here to the bottom and you'll see all of your photos and videos that you just took, and you could easily just download them straight to your phone and then post. So that's a very easy explanation how to pair a GoPro to your phone so you have the preview and you can take photos and videos of yourself. In the next episode, I'm going to show you all of the gear that is recommended to take your own photos and videos, and also how to get videos in portrait format, which is what you need for TikTok and Instagram, especially since most tripods only come like this, which is landscape and not exactly what you want. So check out the next video if you want to learn more about taking your own videos.